Destination Success. Greatness starts here. Today our lesson is CBSE Class 7 Science Chapter 1, 1.1 Mode of Nutrition in Plants. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, share this to your friends, like, comment, and don't forget to hit that notifications button. Hope you enjoy. So first, let's do a Class 6 recap. What do living organisms need to survive? Well, their essentials are food, air, water, and for humans, shelter. Let's focus on food. What are food components? Well, food components can be carbs, protein, vitamins, and minerals. These food components are what are called nutrients. Living organisms need nutrients to survive. So in this lesson, we're going to be talking about the mode of nutrition, which I'll talk about further in the video. So let's talk about how do living organisms obtain or collect their food. Well, since humans are smart, we obviously get chicken and plants from a store. Animals, on the other hand, they catch animals or plants and they eat it. What do plants eat? You see, plants make their own food. You might think that plants use water, air, sunlight, and other minerals as their food, but no. These components are plants' ingredients to make their food, which we'll talk about later on how this works. So we can also say that plants are what humans and animals are interdependent to. So now let's begin our lesson on the mode of nutrition in plants. So first, let's talk about what is nutrition. You probably know the definition, but for this lesson, we need to understand this definition. Nutrition is the mode of taking food and using it for the body. There are many types of nutrition, and one of them is autotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition, or the mode of taking food from an organism and using it for the body, in which living organisms make their own food, is called autotrophic nutrition. Organisms that make their own food are called autotrophs. So those are two new words, let's understand them. The Greek prefix auto means self, and the Greek suffix troph means nourishment. So if you're an autotroph, then you nourish yourself by yourself. So plants are autotrophs because they use autotrophic nutrition, because they use themselves to nourish themselves, and they're autotrophs because they make their own food. So what about humans and animals? What nutrition do they use? Well, humans and animals are what are called heterotrophs. Hetero is a Greek prefix that means other, and troph is a Greek prefix that means nourishment, as we learned. Well, troph is a Greek suffix, sorry. So heterotrophs nourish themselves by using other living organisms. Let's show an example. When humans eat animals, they're using other living organisms to nourish themselves because they're using heterotrophic nutrition. They're taking the food from a chicken and they're using it for their body to gain muscles and grow in height, because that's what protein does. And when chickens eat plants, they use it to grow as well. So that's what is heterotrophic nutrition. They're using others to they're using other living organisms and using it for their body. So as we know, plants make their own food, so we don't really know how we make food, but that's going to be another lesson. Hope you enjoyed this video, and this is Destination Success, signing off.